Part 6 of our Indian Constitution, Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, Article 152 to 161. These articles explain about the governor authority, powers and functions of the governor, and a definition of the state, etc. explained in these articles. So let us discuss about the each and every article one by one. Chapter 1. This article, in this chapter 1, discussion on general issues, general matters, and definition of the definition explained in this chapter. Article 152 explains definition of the states. So according to Article 152, so it gives clear definition about states. What is meant by states? Clearly explained according to Article 152. Chapter 2 explain about the executive. Chapter 1 the general, the chapter 2 the executive. Executive means state executive. State executive means the Council of Ministers, Chief Minister, and the Governor. These are part in the executive. So, according to Article 153, governors of the states. Governors of the states appointed by the President of India, who are able persons, who is having command on the constitution. They are eligible to appoint as governors of the state by the president. Article 154. Executive powers of the state. Executive powers of the states. Executive powers can exercised by the governor of the state on the basis of the written evidence on the basis of the Council of Ministers recommendation or written evidence of the Council of Ministers. Article 154. Article 155 speaks that appointment of governor. Article 155 appointment of governor. Generally almost all the governors of the states, lieutenant governors of the union territories appointed by the President of India, appointment of the governors. And Article 156, term of office of the governor. Generally, governor acting as the constitutional nominee between the center and state, and he tried to protect the constitutional values in the state. So, governor position is crucial. Without assent of the governor, so no law can be passed by the state government. So governor powers are important. His role is crucial in the state administration. So according to Article 156, term of office of the governor. Governor can act as governor whenever he can prove himself before the President of India is having command on state administrative activities, law and order matters, executive matters, in this constitution matters. In this purpose, without misusing of his authority, they can continue as governor in the states up to 5 years. 5 years. Generally, duration of the governor's term is 5 years. That is depends on the will of the President of India. Article 157 of the Constitution. Qualifications for appointment of as governor. Qualifications for appointment of governor. Whatever qualification required to appoint as governor, whatever qualification prescribed by the Union Parliament or according to Constitution, they can appoint as governor of the state. Article 158, conditions of governor's office. Conditions of governor's office. Article 159, oath or affirmation by the governor. Oath of affirmation. He will take his oath of affirmation under President of India. President of India. Article 160, discharge of the functions of the governors in certain constituencies, certain circumstances. Whatever duties assigned to him, he can exercise. Article 160 of the Constitution, discharge of the functions of the governors in certain constituencies. Article 161 of the Constitution, powers of the governor to grant, pardon, to suspend, remit or commute sentences in certain cases. If any criminal, you want to get forgiveness or remit or any other pardon, etc., governor is having authority. He can pardon, he can suspend, he can remit, he can commute any punishment. Any punishment depends on his consent. Depends on his consent. He can change judgment of the concerning judiciary. These are relating to the governor's authority. Article 152 to 161 of Indian Constitution.